Hello there, welcome back to my channel, and for today's cooking video is a yellowfin fish tuna. So i-fry lang natin ang ating fish, seasoned with spices. So hindi na kasi siya fresh, kaya ito yung napili kong luto. So after nating i-fry yung ating fish, maglagay tayo ng butter dito sa ating pan and saute garlic. Hintayin lang natin na mag-brown ng konting ating garlic and tomatoes, onion, then maglagay din tayo ng mixed spices and parsley and dill. Then i-add na natin ang ating tomato paste. Mix natin at mag-add tayo ng water. Depende sa inyo kung gaano kalapot yung gusto nyo. Then simmer and i-add natin ang ating fried fish. Then i-add natin ang ating bell pepper. And parsley and dill, chopped dill. Luto na and kainan na. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment on my video, and take care. See you in my next video.